42 Whiskey 2 Alpha, evening wave, afternoon wave.
Evening Whiskey 3. Thanks for the use. Thanks for the shout.
You might have a can't dig a meeting right out there, bumping it down or what, man?
Yeah, no pain, no strain yet. 2442, just heard you out there keying up, wanted to wave a hand your way. Take care. 2442, Whiskey 2, evening wave, aloha.
Okay, sure, wave. Can't dig an end, man. There's a smooth cruise, this great big sound. Mad Max, chop, 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 Whiskey 2.
What a mess out there. 166, Hippopotamus, Whiskey 2, afternoon wave, aloha.
Whiskey 2, I'll let the channel roll. I'll let the hippopotamus do his thing. Whiskey 2, shock away. The snooze.
All right there, 166. Take care, have a good afternoon, and we'll catch you later. 166, Whiskey 2, aloha.
Aloha. Hey, Whiskey 2, over there, man. What's 166 gonna catch you later? Just tell him he can always jump on my back and I can take him for a ride. Hello, Whiskey 2 Alpha. Bye.
Right there, Hippo. Right there. Yeah, I heard you out there keying up. You love chopper, you. Take care, Hippo. Have a good afternoon. Good to hear you out there in the mix as well. Hippopotamus, Whiskey 2. What is this? Thursday? Friday afternoon wave. Welcome to the weekend. Aloha.
Well, I just wanted to get in there while I could fit in there, Whiskey 2. I wasn't too sure if you're going to hang around. I was just sitting back to read the mail and I didn't know you guys were talking, so I just wanted to wave a hand just in case condition fell out. Whiskey 2, you stroking and smoking around beautiful Melbourne? Whiskey 2, I'll go back in the bushes as well. Hey, Whiskey 2, put on you when I can. Bye.
Yeah, no problem at all there, Hippo. You're always welcome in my receive, always welcome in my shack, Hippopotamus. Take care, have a good weekend. Aloha.
Can Spaghetti Man get his little 20 watts back to you? Whiskey 2 Alpha 330 Spaghetti Man, Melbourne, Australia, waiting.
Right back there, Spaghetti Man. Good to hear you out there as well, man. It's kind of quiet on the radio, but there's still a few of you out there keying up. So, shucks, man. Same goes for you. 330 Spaghetti Man. Always welcome in this shack. Always welcome in my receive. Take care. Have a good weekend. 330 Spaghetti Man, Whiskey 2, aloha.
Hey, check, yeah, Whiskey 2, with the cherry pepper. Always welcome in my receive.
Hey, Whiskey 2, that hippo's not welcome in my shacks because his bum's too big.
There, 330. Got a little bit rough there towards the end, but it's all good, man. We'll do it all again next time. Take care. 330 Spaghetti Man, Whiskey 2. Friday afternoon wave. Aloha.
Hey, Whiskey 2. Hippo's not allowed in my radio room because his bum's too big.
Whiskey 2 Alpha.
Bye.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. I'm gonna bump in there on the whiskey bandwagon too. Aloha, my friend. You're down under mate 977. Hello, Whiskey.
Top of the afternoon. You loud chopper, man. You just stepped right up into my receive like nobody's business. 977. Good to hear you out there. Welcome to the weekend wave. All that jazz. Take care, my friend.
Check, Whiskey, mate. I just saw it wave the hand. I heard that beautiful signal hitting my receiver. Just turned the radio on and bam, wham, there you go. Whiskey 2's dropping the mic there. Take care, my friend. Thursday evening time for you. Welcome to the weekend coming up just around the corner. Whiskey 2, 977. Back up.
I appreciate it. 977. You take care. And flowers right back in your direction, man. Always a good sounding station coming out of the Gold Coast. Take care, my friend. We'll catch you later. Aloha.
Check, Whiskey. Take it easy. Bye.
Bye.
Lucky J, what's he sound like? Bye, bye, bye. Come on. See if I can throw him off. Mad Max, a big mouth, got that.
Hang on tight, because you're going to see if you can fuck them off. 166, hang on tight, man, because you're rocking all over me. 166, come on, do it again. Hey. Yeah, I'm glad that, man.
When I open my mouth there, man, you better come big in the head.
As far as I can. Break, Mad Max.
Well, Mad Max, a big mouth, got it up here again, break.
166, man, you're going to grab them by the little ears and stretch them. You're going to say, hey, 166, you're going to grab them by the little ears and stretch them like a fucking pig, man. See ya, 166, bye. Yeah, Max,
Grab me by the ears there, mate. And Mad Max, just make sure when he grabs me by the ears, please don't rip them off. Hello, Mad Max, a big mouth, bite. And Mad Max taking just don't touch my mouth. And Mad Max, they made it don't touch my mouth. Please don't let it
right as well. Mad Max 166. Hey, 166, you said you're going to be nice, so that's double something. Hey, you ain't here, man, but what's up for 166, man? You got a man and foot in there. Yeah, 166,
And Mad Max, that's
sounds like
he got me become big a mess. And Mad Max, I've got no problem with 166 taking me for a ride as long as I don't have to pick up his moose. Hello, Mad Max, a big mouth, right there.
Yeah, Malachi boy. You don't mind.
Well, you know me, Mad Max, man. I'm a Captain Big and hippopotamus there, man. I don't want to pick up any Captain Big and any of his mess there, man. I want to come out there and do what I say. Hello, Mr. Worldwide. Mad Max, big mouth. What do you reckon there, big babe?
Mad Max, he's not even taking a breath. Might have to go underwater for a little while. Hey, 166, you reckon you're going to wind it up? Well, no saying. Hey, Hippo, watch out for 166, man. You jumping on your back, bye.
And Mad Max, you know me, man, I ain't scared.
Yeah.
Me there once here, well, you know me, Mad Max, I've got a great big mouth. Hello, Mr. Worldwide, Worldwide Mad Max, a big mouth, got that?
Yeah, Malachi. Big mouth, man.
Letting him have a go so he doesn't stop riding. Max there, bite.